Today's we are going to check our flash data. So you can easily understand we are moving step by step. Okay, so now you have created the login system and sign up system. So now, as you know, you are saying that if someone click on the login button, so you are in the sign up form, as you know, you are using the flash data. Where is the flash data? Okay, we don't have a flash data here, but here, for suppose, before accessing the user controller, you have to check that your user is logged in or not. So how can you do that? First of all, open your custom helper. So now you know very well that you are checking the admin logged in, using the admin logged in, and you are checking that this session is available AID. So now I'm saying I'm going to create the method, copy this method. So make sure this is the function. I'm saying that this is the function. I'm saying in this time user logged in, make sure user logged in. Okay, so now in this time it's a UID, this is a session ID, if you're checking the user is logged in or not. And now I'm saying that I have to call in my users tables. So now I'm saying you are returning in the, where is the custom helper? So this is a custom helper. You are returning true or false. Okay, so now I'm saying if your user is logged in, you are saying that, okay, wait for a second, so don't worry about it, we are doing control cut if else. Okay, if your user is logged in, print this. How can you check? You can check by, we have created the user logged in. Okay, it will return you the true and false. If your user is not logged in, then I'm saying please log in now, please log in now. If your user is already logged in, print this. So go to your page, refresh the page, so you are already logged in. But if you are not logged in, then we use the flash data. So open your admin. So now, as you know, we have a flash data here, and how you are checking the flash data. So in the added spec, as you know, you have your added spec. So let me check something. So all specs, so this is your added spec. If you are saying that all products, so go to your all products. Oh, sorry, it's not all products. Okay, open all products, control shift N. So all products, you are saying that where's the, you are checking like this. So as you can see, you are checking like this. But why you need to add this code again and again? So that's why we are going to create this, we are going to define this in the URL helper. Okay, so now I'm saying a function check flash. Now similarly use your this line of code, and now I'm saying in this time, if the session is, I'm not going to check the session, I'm saying if the session flash data, make sure I'm checking the flash data with the help of class. Or you are saying that in the, where is the admin? So this is the admin. In the admin, you are saying that first is class, second is message, third is URL link. So now I'm saying in the custom, I'm saying first check the class. So this is the class. If the class is available, then what you need, you just need to call the, I'm saying assign this class here, because we are going to, I'm saying this is the class. Okay, now I'm saying this is the class. And what about the message? I'm saying this is the message. And as you know, you are setting the message in the flash data using the message. So this is the message. So if the flash data is available, now I'm saying ci load view. I'm saying that in the load directory, in the view directory, I have a flash data. Okay, so I'm going to create the flash data view in the views folder. So this is the views folder. I'm going to create a file named flash data. So this is the flash data. Now what you need, you just need to copy this code, this line of code, this line of code. Okay, so now you don't need to check like this. You are sending the data in the class variable. So now you can use the class. Okay, here is your class, and you are sending the data to the view, to your view, using message. So now you don't need to use the session flash data. So this is the flash data. Now I'm saying when someone create the account, here you can see, we will discuss about this, but for now, if the user is already available, then you can use the flash data. Which flash data? So this is the flash data. Use this flash data. So I'm saying use the flash data. Use the flash data. Okay, just a second. Use the flash data with this error, and you are redirecting. You can redirect this to your registration form or sign up form. Okay, so this is the sign up. So this is the sign up form. Okay, so now this is the sign up form. Remove this S, copy this bad boy and paste this bad boy here, copy this message, paste this message here, and also you are sending to the, now go to the sign up form. So this is the sign up form. Okay, so now this is the sign up form. If the user is already available, which user? I'm saying this ME user is already available, name, last name. So this is the email address which is already available. Click on this. So as you can see, it's redirecting you at the same page, but you are not showing something here. Here, open your sign up form and add your link here. Not link. So as you know, you have flash data. So this is your flash data. So echo flash data. Now go to the page, refresh the page, it's working fine. Add something, use the same email address with the wrong password because this email address is already available. Click on this. So now as you can see, it's saying user already exists. So you have successfully created. Now what you need, just need to copy this link and paste this link for suppose login, user form. Paste this link at the login form. So this is the login. Open this link. So this is the login form and paste this here. Okay, so now in the user form, use the flash data. So this is the flash data. Please log in now. Please log in. Please log in now. Okay, now remove this. Now fine, refresh the page. Okay, so now how can you, as you know, when you validating this form, so it's saying missing something because you are using the set rule function here. Set rule, you are using this form validation library, and now when someone if something missing, then redirect this to your index method. So this is your index method. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. It's redirecting you at the same controller or the same functions, but you are not validating. The error is not showing here. The error is not showing. So how can you show the error? Okay, so here call your helper validation errors. Okay, now once again try again. So it's saying that where is the error? Okay, you have to echo this. You have to use the echo function. Refresh. As you can see, it's saying name field is required, and also here last name is required, first name is required, email is required, password is required. Go to the page, refresh the page. So as you can see, it's saying first name is required, last name is required. Where is the email address? Okay, open the sign up form, email, and the password, also the password. These fields are required. Okay, so now if you are opening, okay, for now it's fine. You can also use this. For now, go to the login form, and here you can also use this, and I'm saying index method. Okay, fine. So open your login form, Control Shift N. Here you can define the validation errors. Okay, fine. So this is very basics, and now as you know, you have your field, so you can use this method. This is a function. Copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy here, and make sure you are redirecting this with login form, not sign up form. Copy, paste your error, change your error here. Remove, copy, paste. Okay, copy this. Not admin, it's a user. Okay, the admin blocked you. Okay, now I'm saying that this is the session. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page, everything is fine. So how can you expire your session? So first of all, this is the user, and now if I'm going to create the method log out. Make sure the O is capital. Log out. Now I'm saying session destroy method. This session destroy and redirect you to login. Okay, so now I'm going to access directly. So this is the user, and this is the user, and now I'm calling the function directly. So as you can see, it's redirecting you here. Now if you access the user controller, it's not going to log in now. It's saying please log in now. Okay, so in this way you can design your own systems, or you can create your own system. It's totally depend upon you and your requirements. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we're going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.